Everyone thinks the best-selling snow chains are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, SCC AutoTrack Light Truck SUV Chains. Let's kick things off with the SCC 0232805 AutoTrack Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chains. Priced at $92.08, these chains caught my eye with their self-tightening feature. If you want hassle-free installation and reliable traction, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic tightening and centering means you won't have to stop and fiddle with the chains while on the road, a huge plus when you're trying to get through a snowstorm. Plus, the diamond pattern cross chains provide a smoother ride and superior grip, which is essential for maintaining control on slippery roads. These chains are designed for light trucks and SUVs, meeting Class S clearance requirements, which makes them a solid choice for most vehicles. Now, some people complained about the weight at 15.6 pounds, saying it's a bit cumbersome to handle. Here's the thing though, while they are heavier than some options, that added weight contributes to their stability and durability. If you're looking for reliability over convenience, this may not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you drive a light truck or SUV and want easy installation. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a little extra weight when handling your chains. For the price and features, it's a solid investment.
Product number 2, SCC Peerless AutoTrack Chains. We have the SCC Peerless 0232105 AutoTrack Chains, retailing at $80. This caught my attention for its value for money. If you want reliable chains without breaking the bank, this one's worth considering. Like the previous option, these also feature worry-free self-tightening ratchets, ensuring they stay in place even as you navigate tough conditions. The easy installation means you can set them up in just a few minutes, which is super important when you're in a rush. They're designed for light trucks and SUVs, making them versatile for many drivers. With a diamond pattern for improved traction, you're less likely to slip on icy roads. However, some users have noted that they may not fit perfectly on some tire sizes. Here's the thing though, if you have standard tire sizes within the specified range, you should be just fine. But if your tires are a bit out of the ordinary, you might want to double-check compatibility. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers. Skip this one if you have non-standard tire sizes or need something very heavy-duty. At $80, it's a solid pick for many drivers.
Product number 3, Alva B Quick Fit Tire Chains. Let's talk about the Alva B Auto Fixing Snow Chains, priced at $99.99. What really stands out is their 1-minute installation feature. If you want quick and easy setup, this is definitely worth a look. These chains are made from a durable manganese steel alloy, giving them a strong grip on snow, mud, sand, and ice. The auto-fixing device means you can install them without needing to move your vehicle, which can be a lifesaver during a snow emergency. Plus, they come with a neat storage box, so you won't have to worry about where to keep them after your trip. But I have to mention, some users found that they didn't work as well on very icy or steep inclines. Here's the thing. While they perform well in most conditions, if you're frequently navigating steep paths, you might want to consider something more heavy-duty. This is perfect for you if you prioritize fast installation and convenience. Skip this if you often drive in extreme conditions where maximum traction is essential. At $99.99, it's priced right for its ease of use.
Product number 4, KYX Adjustable Snow Tire Chains. We have the KYX Snow Tire Chains, which retail for $79.99. These chains impressed me with their flexibility and ease of installation. If you're looking for something that works on various vehicles, give these a serious look. The unique design provides excellent traction on ice and snow, making them reliable in tough winter conditions. They're adjustable, fitting a wide range of tire sizes, so you won't have to worry about compatibility as much. Installation is straightforward, taking just about 10 minutes, even for those who might be a bit mechanically challenged. Plus, they come with a storage bag for easy transport. However, there were mentions of the chains being less durable over time. Here's the thing. While they may not last as long as some pricier options, for occasional winter drivers, this may not be a deal breaker, especially at this price point. This is perfect for you if you drive multiple vehicles or want something easy to store. Skip this if you plan on using chains frequently or in extreme conditions. Given their price and features, they're a good value.
Product number 5, SCC Peerless Light Truck / SUV Chains. We have the SCC Peerless 0232405 AutoTrack Chains, priced at $95.99. What caught my attention is their ability to eliminate loose chains and retightening stops. If you want a no-fuss experience on the road, this might be the one for you. These chains also feature self-tightening ratchets, which makes the installation process quick and easy. The diamond pattern enhances traction and offers a smoother ride, so you can feel more confident driving in winter conditions. They meet the requirements for light trucks and SUVs, making them a solid option for many drivers. Some users did mention that they found these chains a bit tricky to remove. Here's the thing, while they provide excellent stability while driving, if you're someone who frequently needs to take them on and off, this might be a consideration for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable option with minimal fuss during installation. Skip this if you need something that's easy to take on and off multiple times. At $95.99, they offer good value for their features.
We've got the SCC Auto Track Chains for hassle-free reliability, the SCC Peerless for budget-conscious drivers, AVEBI for quick installation, KYX for versatility, and another SCC Peerless option focusing on stability. Each serves a different need, so pick the one that fits your winter driving best.